really is it true? Robots have rolled onto the sidewalks of Midtown, Old Fourth Ward, and downtown Atlanta? Why, yes, they have. Thanks to SERV Robotics launching its service in the Atlanta metro area, expanding its collaboration with Uber Eats. The company's autonomous delivery brings sustainable and safe high-tech convenience to over 50,000 Atlantans. The robots are integrated into the Uber Eats app, and customers who order from participating local favorites such as Real Tacos and Ponko Chicken may have their next meal delivered by a SERV robot. SERV's national delivery partnership with Shake Shack will also extend to Atlanta. According to Dr. Ollie Kashani, CEO and co-founder of SERV Robotics, Atlanta is a strategic next step for the company's planned nationwide expansion. The city's growing tech hub and innovative community make it an ideal location for SERV's friendly approach to robotic delivery. On a related note, Ollie Kashani was named a 2025 Entrepreneur of the Year Bay Area Award winner by Ernst & Young LLP, UIUS. This prestigious award honors entrepreneurs and leaders of high-growth companies who are building and scaling successful, innovative businesses. Dr. Kashani was selected by an independent panel of judges based on his entrepreneurial spirit, purpose-driven commitment, long-term value creation, and company growth and impact. As a result of this recognition, Dr. Kashani is now eligible for the Entrepreneur of the Year 2025 National Awards. Dr. Kashani's entrepreneurial journey began with a vision to make delivery more sustainable, economical, and accessible through robotics. He founded SERV Robotics in 2017 as a skunkworks robotics initiative within Postmates, and later led the spin-out of SERV as an independent company in 2021 after Uber's acquisition of Postmates. Under Dr. Kashani's leadership, SERV Robotics has grown from an internal startup to a publicly traded company, completing tens of thousands of commercial deliveries in major U.S. cities, including Los Angeles, Miami, Dallas, and Atlanta. Dr. Kashani expressed his gratitude for the award, acknowledging the incredible team of makers and dreamers who have worked alongside him to build SERV into the enterprise it is today. The launch of SERV's Atlanta operations represents another significant milestone on the company's path to deploying 2,000 AI-powered delivery robots across the U.S. by the end of 2025. Additional U.S. markets are expected to be announced in the coming months. SERV's robots are expected to reduce traffic congestion, making last-mile deliveries more efficient and emission-free. The company has proactively established constructive relationships with local stakeholders to ensure a seamless rollout. SERV's growth will generate new employment opportunities in operations and maintenance and help stimulate the local economy. Megan Jensen, head of autonomous delivery operations at Uber, said that the company's partnership with SERV Robotics marks their first entry with autonomous delivery in Atlanta. The partnership aims to make food delivery as convenient as possible. The initiative is a vital milestone in SERV's plan to deploy 2,000 AI-driven robots across the U.S. by the close of 2025. Further U.S. locations are anticipated to be revealed shortly. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.